I'm standing here at the Chennakesava Temple in Karnataka, India. It's nearly 900 years old, but what I'm about to show you looks eerily like something from the future. Now, I know what you're thinking. Those are just decorative patterns, and you'd be right, to a point. But look at this. Here's a carving from the 12th century, and here's a modern neural network map. The similarity is, well, it's uncanny. But it's not just abstract patterns. See this figure here? It looks remarkably like a multi-rotor drone. And these repeating binary-style patterns, they're eerily similar to modern data encoding. It's as if someone from the future traveled back in time and left us a message in stone. Now, if this was just one temple, we could chalk it up to coincidence. But here's the thing. It's not. This pattern repeats all over the world. In Peru, the walls of Sacsayhuaman interlock in fractal-like patterns without any mortar. And in Egypt, at a place called Abu Ghurab, there are quartz-based platforms that some researchers think might have been used for vibrational energy. In Cambodia, Angkor Wat's layout aligns perfectly with solar and lunar cycles, like some kind of ancient cosmic computer. Does that sound familiar? It should, because it's strikingly similar to the resonant frequency technology being explored in today's quantum AI labs. Were they tapping into some universal knowledge that we're only now rediscovering? But perhaps the most mind-bending example of ancient technology is this: the Antikythera Mechanism. It was found in a shipwreck off the coast of Greece, and it's essentially a 2000-year-old analog computer. It could predict planetary motions, eclipses, even Olympic dates. And here's the kicker. We didn't see technology this complex again until the 18th century. So, what do we make of all this? Well, there's a growing theory that we might be living in a simulation, that perhaps we've been here before, and will be here again. And if that's true, then maybe these ancient AI-like patterns aren't inventions at all. Maybe they're reminders, echoes of a civilization that achieved what we're just now attempting. From temples to tombs, from carvings to circuits, the line between ancient and advanced grows thinner every day. Maybe our future isn't ahead of us. Maybe we're just remembering it. Of course, this is all speculation, but it does make you think, doesn't it? And if there's one thing I've learned from making these videos, it's that the world is often stranger and more mysterious than we ever imagined. So next time you visit an ancient site, look closely. You might just see a glimpse of the future, or is it the past? Subscribe to Hermelux Creations for more such content.